I've got a question for you. Have you ever wished you could just text an assistant to take care of your complicated tasks while you're out and about, living your life? Well, what if that assistant lived right inside your everyday messaging apps and worked for you around the clock? Please bear in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. All right then, ladies and gentlemen, I want you all to understand when it comes to Minimax Agent, this is actually a powerful, all-encompassing AI native workspace designed to enhance your workflow and transform your daily SOPs into automated processes. However, the real game changer is their brand new feature. It's called Max Cool, which you can see right here on the far left. Now, Max Cool has evolved into a fully autonomous, highly capable personal assistant that integrates seamlessly into your everyday life. You heard that right. Now, I want you all to understand that. Technically, some of the biggest features here are the personal assistant and the deployment demo. Alright. Now, I want you all to understand, when it comes to MaxClaw's biggest selling points, it's the ability to act as your dedicated personal assistant across the platforms you already use, which means you don't have to keep a browser tab open just to get your work done, alright? So if we actually have a look here, you'll see that this is the main dashboard. We're going to go right over here to the far left. Here we have what's known as MaxClaw. Now, once you understand MaxClaw, you can actually look right at the bottom and see where it's available. You heard that right, everyone. We're talking about something that could be integrated. Not only that, you can authorize the deployment of MaxClaw onto your preferred platform. So we've got Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, or if you prefer, even Discord. All right, so technically you could choose your messaging app and send a message to MaxClaw to instantly trigger a complex workflow on the go. You heard that right, everyone? So if we go right over here to the far left, we can actually assign it a new task. We can just go ahead and type something into the prompt here. We're going to monitor the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges for major price movements today. And send me a summary of the market trends here on WhatsApp every 4 hours. You heard that right? All right. We can actually go ahead and run that. Not only that, but I want you all to understand, there are loads of things you can actually do here as well. All right. So, for our personal assistant, I want you all to understand that we can actually make use of what's called the expert function within the agent. And this usually allows us to fully customize our assistant using simple, natural language. Right, so let's crack on and get this sorted really quickly. But I also want you all to understand that it actually features a massive OpenAI agent marketplace. So we're talking about over 10,000 pre-configured experts. You can easily plug these into Maxwell to give your assistant instant expertise in areas like finance, modeling, coding, or even data scraping. You lot can see right here, it's been received. I'm starting to monitor. You can see all the information here. So pretty cool, pretty easy and straightforward. Not only that, you can see down here that we've got skills. So technically you can add different skills. As you can see, right, there are loads of important details, which is pretty brilliant. Well, I want you all to understand that. Because Max Call lives in your messaging apps, it technically runs continuously in the background. So it actually carries out scheduled tasks, processes files, and handles research while you're asleep. So it's designed to remember your specific preferences and skills over time. So it becomes more personalized and efficient the longer you actually use it. Very important. So once again, everyone, if you create something, you can actually use it. Expert for your assistant. It's very important that you all understand, and you can share it with your community. You can earn credits every time someone actually uses it. So I want you all to understand exactly how this works. Pretty easy and simple. More importantly, Max Call completely removes the steep learning curve of traditional AI tools by working purely through conversational text in apps that you already know how to use. So you can see right here that you're going to explore the experts. Very important. Dive into this once again, everyone. There's a huge amount here that you can check out. 10,000 pre-configured experts. So I highly recommend you all dive into this. Let me know exactly what you think, but more importantly, you need to understand, in my opinion, this is life-changing. Then, there you have it, ladies and gents. If you're ready to have a powerful AI personal assistant right in your pocket, head over to the website to deploy MaxClaw to your favorite messaging apps today. More importantly, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and check out the link down below in the description. We'll see you in the next video.